Good morning, students. Today we will start our day with the explanation of the lesson 12 months. In the last class, I have given you only the introduction of the story. By that, you might have got some idea. So, now let's continue with the story. Once upon a time, in a faraway country, there lived a mother who had two daughters. One was her own child and the other was her stepdaughter. She was very fond of her own daughter, but she hated her stepdaughter. The only reason was that Marakula, the stepdaughter, was prettier than her own daughter, Helena. The meaning of a stepdaughter is a daughter of one's husband or wife by previous marriage. So, the explanation of first stanza is: once upon a time in faraway country, there was one family. In that family, there was one stepmother, one stepdaughter, and her own daughter. The stepdaughter name was Marakula, and her own daughter name was Helena. The stepdaughter was very pretty to look, but Helena was not that pretty as Marakula. The gentle-hearted Marakula did not know how beautiful she was, and so she could never make out why her mother was always so cross with her. So, the meaning of this is the gentle-hearted is kind. So, this kind Marakula did not understand the nature of her mother, why she was every time making her to do the work at home and every time ignoring her and loving to her own daughter, Helena. Marakula had to do all the housework, tidying up the cottage, cooking, washing, spinning, weaving, and sewing. She liked work and she did it all without a word of complaint, while Helena spent the time adoring herself and lazing about. Even then, Helena and her mother scolded and rated and abused Marakula every day. They envied her so much that one day they decided to throw her out in the freezing cold to get rid of her. By looking at these pictures, you can understand the meanings of the words like cooking, washing, spinning, weaving, and sewing. She liked work and she did it all without a word of a complaint, while Marakula never went opposed to her mother. She did all the household work without a complaint to her mother. Helena spent the time adoring herself and lazing about. Adoring meaning is to decorate ourselves very beautifully, and lazing about means she was never doing the household. Even then, Helena and her mother scolded and rated and abused Marakula every day. After doing a lot of work also, Marakula and her stepmother was not happy with her. They envied her so much that one day they decided to throw her out in the freezing cold to get rid of her. The meaning of envied is jealous. These both of them were jealous of Marakula. Go, Marakula, and get me some violets from the forest. These were the lines said by the Helena to Marakula. I want to wear them and to smell them, said Helena. So Helena ordered to Marakula to go to the forest and get some violets flower to smell them. But my dear sister, it is impossible to find violets in the snow, said poor Marakula. Now Marakula said to Helena that in this season it is impossible to get the violet flowers. How dare you argue when I tell you to do something? Off you go at once, and if you don't bring me violets from the forest, I will kill you, said Helena. The meaning of threateningly is to make afraid of something that you are. So here now, Helena told to Marakula that anyhow she has to bring the violet flowers from the forest or she will kill to her. The stepmother caught hold of Marakula, turned her out of the door and slammed it to after her. The meaning of slammed is to shut the door very loudly. Here the stepmother moved her out of the door and shut the door very loudly. Marakula went into the forest, weeping bitterly. The snow lay deep and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen. Marakula wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with cold. Here, the meaning of weeping is to cry. So now here Marakula alone went into the forest, but she saw that there was no human footprint seen there. So she wandered for a long time. Tortured meaning is to get a pain in the stomach when it is empty. And trembling with cold means she was shivering with the cold. At last, she saw a light in the distance. Means after walking to a little distance, she saw a light on the top of the mountain there. She went towards a glow which came from the top of the mountain. So she reached a place where there was a light glooming out. A big fire was burning there, and round the fire were 12 stones with the 12 men sitting on them. So after reaching near to the fire, she saw that there were the 12 men sitting with the 12 stones there. And that 12 men were sitting on that 12 stones. 3 of them had snow white beards. So from that 12 people, 3 of them had the snow white beards. 3 were not so old and the 3 were still younger. Remember this, children, that 3 of them had snow white beards, 3 were not so old and 3 were still younger. The 3 youngest were the handsomest of them all. So among them 12, 3 were the handsome. They were not speaking but all sitting silent. These 12 men were the 12 months. Great January sat highest of all. His hair and beard were as white as snow, and in his hand he held a club. So all these 12 people were having the meeting together, and this meeting was held by a great January, and he was a member of his club. Marakula was frightened. She stood still for a time in a terror, but growing bolder, she went up to them and said, "Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at your fire." So now Marakula, by seeing these 12 men, she was a little bit frightened. She went near to them in a terror, that is in a fear. But growing bolder, that is having some courage in her, she went to them and she asked for a help to them, that can I warm my hands at your fire. Great January nodded and asked her, "Why have you come here, my dear little girl? What are you looking for?" So now January asked the question to the Marakula, that why did you come here? She answered, "I am looking for violets." So she said that I came here to get the violets, that are the flowers. This is no time to be looking for violets, for everything is covered with snow, answered Great January. So the Great January said that this is not the right season for the flowers to grow now. "Yes, I know, but my sister Helena and my stepmother said that I must bring them some violets from the forest." So she said to the January that my stepmother and my sister Helena has forced me to bring them from the forest. If I don't bring them, they will kill me. So if I don't take the flowers, they are going to kill to me. Tell me, fathers, please tell me where I can find them. So she was going on begging for these 12 men to give her some idea about these flowers. Great January stood up and went to one of the younger months. It was March, and giving him the club, he said, "Brother, take the high seat." So this January stood up and he went to the month of the March and he asked him, "Brother, take the high seat." So he asked the March to please help this little girl to get some violets from the forest. So now students, rest of the lesson we will continue in the next class.